Babe.
You
Have
good
fun.
to go?
Yep.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Good morning, world of the internet. Yeah, welcome back, and we're off for another little jump in the Lauterbrunnen Valley in Switzerland. It's a beautiful 70-meter cliff that's on a waterfall. Opened a couple of years ago by Doogs. So yeah, it's a super nice one. Sunday morning, so I've got to go work at lunch, but you're going to head out for a quick jump with Carla and Luke before work, have a quick coffee, then yeah, go throw some drogues. So yeah, we'll see you up there. Nice one. You ready? What an absolute frother of a jump. That was epic. So yeah, we jumped from up here. There we go. There's a waterfall up there. Super nice little jump. And then just landed in one of the farmers' fields down here. I just want to show you guys this scenery. Absolute bloody epic. Yeah, one of the best decisions I ever made was to move to Switzerland, to this place. It's just an adult's playground for adventure sports. So yeah, thanks for joining along for another one. Hope you guys liked it. Let us know what you think in the comments or what you want to see next. And yeah, live life to the fullest. We'll see you on the next one.